In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable obsidian mode in Discord. If you prefer a darker interface that's easier on your eyes, especially at night, obsidian mode is simply Discord's dark theme. It improves contrast, reduces glare, and can make text more comfortable to read during long sessions. Start by opening Discord on your desktop. These steps are for the desktop app, and they're very similar if you're using Discord in a browser. Once Discord is open and you're on your home screen or any server, look to the bottom left corner of the window. You'll see a small gear icon next to your avatar. That's the User Settings button. Click it to open your settings panel. Inside the settings, you'll notice a sidebar on the left that organizes everything. Under the App Settings section, find and click Appearance. If you have a lot of options, you might need to scroll a little. Appearance is where Discord stores all display-related preferences, including font scaling, message display style, and most importantly for this tutorial, the theme. In the Appearance page, look for the Themes section. You'll see options like Light and Dark. Select Dark. In Discord, dark is what many people call obsidian mode, the classic charcoal look most users love. As soon as you choose dark, the change applies immediately, so you'll see the interface switch right away. If your Discord already looks dark, that means you're already in obsidian mode and you're good to go. With dark selected, you can now close the settings. Just click the X at the top right of the settings panel to return to your main Discord view. There's nothing else you need to save. Discord applies your theme choice instantly and remembers it for next time. From here, you can continue chatting, browsing servers, or customizing other appearance options if you like. But that's optional and not required to enable obsidian mode. Quick recap so you can remember it. Open Discord on your desktop, click the gear icon to open user settings, go to Appearance under App Settings, select the dark theme, and then close the settings panel. That's all it takes. Choosing dark can help reduce eye strain, especially in low light environments, and it often looks cleaner on modern displays. If you ever want to switch back, you can return to the Appearance page and pick light again. You've switched Discord to obsidian mode. Enjoy the dark theme and subscribe for more quick tips.